Hello children, today I am going to take your GK class. So take out your GK book. So page number 27, 28, 20 and 51 we are going to discuss. 27, that is everyday science. What is science? It's a part of everyday life. Underline the correct options to answer the following questions. Number 1, which gas is usually filled in an electric bulb? The answer is nitrogen. Number 2, which of the following is used as lubricant? The answer is graphite. Number 3, the property of a substance to absorb moisture from the air on exposure is called deliquescence. Number 4, galvanized iron sheets have a coating of zinc. Number 5, chlorofluorocarbon gas, which is responsible for the depletion of ozone layer, was earlier used in which domestic equipment? The answer is refrigerator. Number 6, balloons that rise high in the air are filled with which gas? Helium. Number 7, which type of mirror is used in the highlight of a cars? It's concave. Number 8, what is another name for frozen carbon dioxide? Dry ice. Number 9, which type of lens does a camera use to form an image? Its answer is convex lens. Number 10, if we heat one end of a metallic rod, the other end gets hot. This method of heat transfer is called conduction. So this page is done. Then come to the page number 28. What is the ozone hole? So from this, inside question might come, why do we have an ozone layer? What is the ozone hole? What caused the ozone hole? The ozone hole and our health, and what have we done about it? The earth is wrapped in a blanket of air called the atmosphere, which is made up of several layers. At about 19 to 30 kilometers above the earth is a layer of gas called ozone, which is a form of oxygen. Ozone is formed when sunlight hits oxygen molecules and break them into individual molecules. These individual molecules then join up with O2 or molecules and O2 or ozone or O3 or ozone. Why do we have ozone layer? The ozone layer is very important because it stops too many of the sun ultraviolet rays getting through on the earth. These are rays that cause our skin to tan. Too much UV rays can cause skin cancer and also cause harm to plants and animals. What is the ozone hole? Every spring, a hole as big as USA developed in the ozone layer over Antarctica and the South Pole. A smaller hole develops each year over the Arctic at the North Pole. Moreover, there are signs that the ozone layer is getting thinner and thinner all over the planet. Scientists have discovered that ozone hole over Antarctica started forming in 1979 and the ozone layer generally started to get thin in the early 1980s. What causes the ozone hole? One group of gas CFC causes maximum damage to the ozone layer. This group of gas is a combination of carbon, chlorine and fluorine. CFC are used in some spray cans to force the content out of the can. They are also used in refrigerator, air conditioning system and some fire extinguisher. They are used because they are not poisonous and do not catch fire. The ozone hole and our health. The hole is like a sunscreen, and a thinning of it would mean the more ultraviolet rays would be reaching us. Too much UV rays can cause some sunburns and deadly disease like cancer. These UV rays are also dangerous for our eyes and could cause an increase in people becoming blind. What have we done about it? In 1987, the Montreal Protocol was signed by 25 countries to control the emission of CFCs. Today, more than 168 nations are parties to the accord. To some extent, the rule of CFCs has been replaced by the less damaging hydrochlorofluorocarbon, although there are concerns regarding HCFCs too. So there are a lot of full form like CFC, HCFCS. Now, I will ask the question, what is ozone hole? When it was discovered, Now, why do we have ozone hole, ozone layer? All this we will discuss. All this I will ask question in exam. Now we will come to page number 29, smart animals. Human are the only intelligent creatures on earth. Meet some other clever, smart creatures from animal world. Complete the crossword to figure out their names. Cross. These sea creatures are very smart. They can play, solve problems, navigate through maze, and have a reliable short term memory. The answer is a cross answer is octopus. Number two, they are very sociable to humans. They have emotions sensitively and get easily bored. So the answer is pig. Number three, they are playful animals that live on the banks of rivers and ocean. They use tools like rocks to find food and remove unwanted parts of food before eating. So the answer is otter. Okay, number five. So number seven. These marine animals have their own language to communicate. They are extremely social animal. The answer is dolphin. These large mammals are also known to clean their food and use tools in various ways in the wild. While in captivity, they are good to follow human commands. The answer is elephant. Now downwards. Man best friend, very trainable, sociable to humans, can understand commands. Dog. Number four, they have a great memory and can recognize themselves in the mirror. They can remember hundred of different images and learn routes to their homes from long distances. Pigeon. Number six, they can remember and identify animal and human faces. When threatened, they make large group and run away from predators. Answer is sheep. Number 8. This bird can mimic human words, understand the meaning, can remember many words and make sentence. Parrot. Number 10. They comprise of animals like gorillas and chimpanzees. They can use tools, hunt collectivity and are capable of advanced problem solving. The answer is primates. Primates, okay? Today we will be doing sports to watch. Sports to watch is page number 20. Now, the first one is some sports not only require great stamina and skill but also very visually appeared. Okay, visually appealing. These sports are called aesthetic sports. Can you identify the sports by writing the correct letter in each box? Number one, individual duos or groups perform or figure skates on ice. So the answer is figure skating. Number two, swimmers perform synchronized moves in the water accompanied by music. Its answer is synchronized swimming. Number three, a dance like gymnastic performance, usually with a hoop or ribbon. Rhythmic gymnastics. Number four, a sports which involve gymnastic and the knowledge to manipulate the movements of a metal rod accompanied by a music. The answer is baton twirling. Number five, a discipline of gymnastic in which athletes perform on different apparatus like vault, uneven bars, or balance beam. The answer is artistic gymnastic. Number six, a Chinese martial arts in which movements are slow and designed to increase relaxation, inner calmness, and peace. So the answer is Tai Chi. Okay, number seven. The sports in similar to figure skating, but here the competitions were roller skates instead of ice skates. The different discipline of this include figure, freestyle, pairs, dance, precision, etc. So the answer is artistic roller skating. Now we will come to page number 51, upcoming sports star. So we have to identify them. The first one, sports lawn tennis. So, who is the person? Can you identify him? He is Bopana. Rohan Bopana. Now, number two we will do. She is Deepika Palikal. She is squash. She deals from a sports squash. Deepika Palikal. Number 3, golf. Anirvan Lahiri. Number 4, PV Sidhu, that is badminton. Number 5, Yuki Bhamri. Bhamri, he belongs from long tennis. Number 6, archery. Her name is Deepika Kumari. Number 7, boxing. His name is Devendra Singh. Number 8, gymnastics. His name is her name is Deepa Karmakar. Number 9, hockey. Her name is Rani Rampal. So today we have done 4 pages. In next video I will do Manglan page 36 and 37 because it's quite lengthy and it need time to explain.